Welcome back. A breaking update coming in, especially for those students who want to appear for the ICSE examinations. The revised dates are out. Class 10 ICSE exams will now be held from the 2nd of July till the 12th of July, and the ISC Class 12 examinations now will be held from the 1st of July till the 14th of July. So because of the lockdown measures that were enforced and many of those students who were unable to give the remainder of the exams, the dates are now out, and quickly taking you through when it comes to the ICSE Class 10 exams. They will be taking place from the 2nd of July till the 12th of July. The Class 12 ISC examinations will now be held from the 1st of July till the 14th of July. The detailed revised timetable will be also coming out soon of all the examinations till now that have been affected with the subjects as well. Let's tell you about Class 12. Their biology paper theory that will be taking place on the 1st of July. This is, I'm talking about the ISC examinations of Class 12. The biology paper of theory will be happening on the 1st of July. The subject of business studies, the examination will now happen on the 3rd of July. The paper of geography will happen on the 5th of July. Psychology examination will happen on the 7th of July. Sociology will now happen on the 9th of July. Home science paper 1 theory will happen on the 11th of July. Elective English, the subject, will happen on the 13th of July. And art and craft paper will happen on the 14th of July. Now these, I have told you about the Class 12 paper of the ISC that will be taking place. Let me quickly tell you about the Class 10 examinations. Those remainder of the subjects, the examinations could not be held because of the imposition of the lockdown. So the geography paper 2 that will happen on the 2nd of July. I'm talking about Class 10 ICSE examination that will happen. Geography paper 2 on the 2nd of July it will be held. Art paper, applied art paper will now be held on the 4th of July. The Group 3 elective when it comes to music and technical drawing applications will happen on Monday, that is on the 6th of July. Hindi paper, the examination will happen on the 8th of July. Biology science paper 3 will happen on the 10th of July. And economics Group 2 elective paper will happen on the 12th of July. So the details will be also putting forth on republicworld.com. You can straight away head to that and check out the details of the subjects and the respective examinations on what dates that will be held. But this is the latest coming in from the HRD Ministry. CBSE examinations have already been announced, and this is the latest date sheet that has now been announced of the ICSE board examinations of Class 10 and of Class 12.